Look what just arrived. Yes, the first box of the new year. I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome to my channel. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 55 years old, but love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you stop by because you're curious what comes in the January 2022 AIA Beauty Bundle, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. So the AIA Beauty Awards, or Beauty Bundle, I forget what they call this, is a $34 a month beauty subscription box, and it is now monthly. And what makes this slightly different than the other, like BoxyCharm or Ipsy, is that it is curated by one particular brand or influencer. So all items in the box will be from that one brand. With the exception, November was like a year-end beauty bundle, which did have a variety of brands. But that was the first time I noticed they did that. All right, enough rambling. Let's see the card and figure out who the influencer is. Okay, yes, and now I understand why I couldn't remember. This is from Naturium, and I'm not familiar with that brand. On the back of the card, they do have prices and descriptions, which is fantastic. I love boxes that do that, and sadly, not very many do that anymore. All right, what is this first item? It is quite light. It is shaped. Are you an eye cream? What are you? Phyto-Glow. Oh, it's a lip balm. It's in the shade Clear. I'm not going to swatch it because A, nothing would show up, and B, I am on a pan journey and I already have two lip balms that I need to get through this year. But let me take it out of the box and see what the packaging looks like. So that is what she looks like. And what kind of applicator? Ooh, fancy. I've been seeing these more and more, but normally this is for like under the eye, which is very cool. I've never seen a lip balm with that type of packaging. Ooh, I can't wait to hit pan so I can give this one a try. What does this retail for? Ooh, okay, doable. So if I really enjoy this, it is $12. And I say doable, I'm kind of cheap. So $12 is a little pricier than what I spend on a lip balm, but way cheaper than $20 or $18, which is the norm, or at least the ones we get in these beauty subscription boxes. All right, what else came in here? What is this? You are one of the heftier products making the box so heavy. We have a BHA Liquid Exfoliant, 2%. I love exfoliating. All right, and this is a chemical exfoliator, so it won't have bits. All right, let's see what the packaging looks like. Oh, beautiful packaging. This is plastic. Okay, and it's not a push down, but get a cotton swab or something. And it has a little spout where you can drizzle it out. So the 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant retails for $18. That is a decent price. Loving it. All right, what else came in this box? What is this? All right, so we have a Multi-Peptide Moisturizer. Yes. I have 8 million moisturizers. I'm trying to get through some right now. But I can't wait to give this one a try. Oh, look how pretty the packaging is. Interesting. For some reason, I thought it was going to be a bottle. And, okay, it has a pump. And this here is 1.7 fluid ounces, which is 50 milligrams. Wow, that's deceiving. It looks the size of, like, a foundation, which are 30 ml. And this is 50. All right. Holy cow. This 50-gram Multi-Peptide Moisturizer retails for $19. If I love and enjoy that, that is a very reasonably priced product. Okay, well, yes. We'll add that to my back stock of moisturizers. Next item. What do we have here? This is, ooh, okay. I'm excited. This is a Niacinamide Serum, 12% plus Zinc 2%. The Ordinary has a very similar product with niacinamide and zinc. Oh, this one's really fancy, heavy. I don't know if that's metal. It's very hefty and cool to the touch. So I want to say this is some form of metal. And we have a pump. So yes, I normally would be squirting them on my hand and showing you and testing. But because I'm trying to hit pan on stuff, I don't want to start the clock on these products. But I'm super excited. Because I'm mature, old, I love skincare. So yes, super excited. The Niacinamide Serum plus Zinc retails for $16. What else is in this box? All right, what is this guy? Super pretty. It's like a soft seafoam green. This also has niacinamide. It's the Niacinamide Cleansing Gelée, 3%. Ooh, and it also has vitamin C. And this is very cute packaging. I think there's, yes. So this comes off like that. It will just shoot off. And then you can start squirting it. All right, I'm going to throw this in my shower. The Niacinamide Cleansing Gel retails for $18. That is a very good price. And the last item is also very heavy. What do we have here? This is Vitamin C Complex Serum. Brightens, helps firm, and imparts overall glow. I love glowy skin. My skin's very dry, very mature and wrinkly, and something about a glow just makes me feel as if I look more youthful. This is in the similar packaging as that last item, where it's very hefty, cool to the touch, and it feels like it might be some form of metal. And this is 1 fluid ounce, 30 ml. And again, it has a pump. Wow, this vitamin C serum retails for $20. That is spectacular. This brand has some great price points. Okay, I know not everyone is into skincare, but for a skincare box, this is spectacular. We got a good variety. We got a cleanser. We got some serums. We got some niacinamide products, some vitamin C. I am quite happy. Leave me a comment and let me know if you're familiar with this brand, Naturium. I'm super excited. All right, let's recap everything that came in this box. We got a lip balm, a BHA Liquid Exfoliant, a Multi-Peptide Moisturizer, a Vitamin C Serum, a Niacinamide Cleansing Gel, and a Niacinamide plus Zinc Serum. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, this looks to be a fantastic brand. I love the price point, love all of the ingredients, not even reading the ingredients on the back, but just what they're branded as or what it's called out. 12% niacinamide, 2% zinc. Those are fantastic ingredients for skincare. I'm super excited to give this brand a try. Let me know your thoughts. A, do you subscribe to this box? Or B, if not, have you at least heard of this brand or tried any of their products? All right, I'm going to list on the screen the MSRP total to see what the grand value of this box is. Again, it's $34 and 20 times 6. The value is well over $100. So I am very pleased with the value to price point for this box. All right, yes, let me know your thoughts. Okay, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click the bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would click the thumbs up. It really does help my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.